커플 데이트 중
This guy would not stop snoring.
I do not snore.
Yes.
Yes, you do.
분위기가 이상해집니다.
And how do you know that Nick snores?
Well,
그러자
Because when we went on that group camping trip, I could hear Nick snoring through their tent.
변명을 해보는데요.
yes.
Bullshit.
그런데
Our tents were way too far apart. I had to hop over a creek to sneak into theirs.
또 다른 진실이 밝혀지죠.
I'm sorry, Brian. Why the fuck were you sneaking into our tent?
I had to. She asked me for a pencil, and I did. Don't change the subject.
상황은 악화됐고
Why does my wife know that you snore?
Okay. Look, clearly we've all fucked each other.
정리를 해보려 합니다.
We should be equal, right? There's no victim here. Even Stevens, huh? Even Stevens.
Even Stevens.
Even Stevens.
하지만
I fucked Steven.
Steven even.
제3자의 이름이 나오고
He's my best friend.
I thought I was your best friend.
친구마저 있습니다. 킬링 포인트가 너무 많아 머리가 어지러질하네요.